TikTok Shop affiliates. This is a question I get all of the time, is how do you do your product research? And there's a few different methods I like to use, but in this video, let's go over it. Also, check this out. 14K in a week. That's actually insane. God bless, bro. Let's get into this. So there's two things I want to go over in this video. Number one is what you should be looking for in a product that makes it potentially viral for the future. And number two is how you find those products. And before we dive into this, I want to say I have a completely free guide on TikTok Shop where I teach you how to get to 5,000 followers, how to find viral products, and so much more. So if you do want to check that out, it's the first link in my bio, but let's do this. All right, so with all the different products on TikTok Shop, the biggest mistake I see a lot of beginners make is they're just scrolling for hours and hours and they don't know what to look for. You should have a certain filter in your head as you're looking through products. Here's mine. The very first thing I like to look for is the purple cow. What stands out about this product? What makes it unique, and does it have a viral factor to it? For example, if I'm selling a blanket, if it's just a normal blanket, who cares, right? It needs to be heated. It needs to have some kind of pattern. It needs to be unique in some way. Also, is it a good product? What are the reviews like? How many are in stock? Are people actually liking the product? Are people using the product? Are similar products going viral right now? And also, is it appropriate to promote it right now? I'm in New England, so it's freezing right now. Do I want to promote a bathing suit? Probably not, right? So that's the product part out of the way, but how do you actually find these viral products? And the answer is going to be really surprising. So there's a lot of product research tools out there. There's the Daily Virals. There's the new Soko app, which is actually pretty solid. I know Calidate is an OG that works really good as well. But my number one product research tool is my For You page. And I know it sounds crazy, but there is a way to do this. If you're using your TikTok account, the one you're watching this video on for TikTok Shop, that's it, guys. Use that account for TikTok Shop only. Do not doom scroll on this account. This is your business. So with that being said, on your For You page, only watch and interact with videos that have the shop link, or videos like this talking about TikTok Shop. And eventually the TikTok algorithm is gonna tailor TikTok Shop videos specifically to your For You page. And I know it sounds like the simplest method, but the best information about TikTok is from TikTok itself. But other than that, Daily Virals is really good. Soko I've been using a lot. That's actually pretty solid. And Calidate is an OG thing. It works really good as well. But my For You page has never disappointed me. I know this video is a little bit longer, but hopefully this information was helpful. And again, I have a completely free guide on TikTok Shop where I literally talk about all this stuff in so much more detail. So if you do want to check it out, it's the first link in my bio. But with that being said, catch y'all later. Peace. Good luck.